In this video, we're going to walk through how to download the heiltsuk Unicode keyboard extension for your Chromebook. First, go to heiltsuk.arts.ubc.ca. Then, under the Tools section, click on Keyboard. Once you're on the keyboard page, scroll down until you see the words Chrome OS Install. Click Chrome OS Install. This will open the Chrome Web Store. On this page, you will download the heiltsuk Unicode keyboard extension. Click the button that says Add to Chrome, and then click the button that says Add Extension. Now you'll see that the heiltsuk Unicode keyboard extension has been added to Chrome. Now that you've successfully installed the extension, open a new tab and go to the page Chrome://settings/languages. Once on this page, scroll down until you get to the section entitled Languages and Input. Under Languages and Input, find Manage Input Methods and click the arrow next to it. Here, you will see a list of keyboard options. Scroll down and click on heiltsuk. Then, scroll back up, click the arrow next to Manage Input Methods, and then click on heiltsuk again. You need to ensure that heiltsuk has a green enabled underneath of it. Now you have successfully enabled the heiltsuk Unicode keyboard on your Chromebook. If you go to the bottom right-hand corner of your Chromebook screen, you'll see a button that says EN. This means that you are using heiltsuk. If you click on it and click on Keyboard, you can toggle between the US keyboard and heiltsuk. Now that you've successfully completed this process, you can return to the heiltsuk keyboard page and click on Chrome OS Instructions, which will download a set of instructions for how to use the keyboard. We will go through these instructions in the next video.